Mariana is showing this character. Are you kidding me?
It's like on the tip of
Ja, sehr gut. Ja.
No! Welcome back to another video. Today we are on a special mission. Aneshka, who's the sister of my girlfriend, said yesterday that she's bored. Why don't we go on a trip? And in this family, you don't say that you're bored. Only boring people say that they are bored. Anesh, have you ever jumped out of an airplane? What?
No.
Would you like to?
What? You're kidding, right? No, wait, what? No, you're kidding. No,
Would
that's
you
a
like
joke.
to?
It's a joke, right? You're kidding.
That's what we're doing.
Actually, that was
No.
my plan, but it's raining like freaking crazy. So
No.
you're lucky.
No.
Not today, but on a different date.
Oh my.
But we're gonna do other crazy stuff.
Oh shit.
Fixing something Bali style. Stone and wood. You think that's any safe, baby?
Seems legit.
Yeah.
So you're going first, right?
Yep.
First time?
Yeah, first time. So maybe tell me what to do. Explain to me what's happening. He's just pulling me to the freaking ocean. Mate!
He's having a good time.
The mountains high, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den.
So proud of you, baby.
Thank you.
You were afraid, you were petrified, but you're going for it. You're seeking discomfort.
Totally. It's ready?
You got this, baby.
Mà qua bao ta, cho tôi wee, wee, wee. Mà qua bao ta, wee, wee.
Yes!
My boobs took a beating.
Oh no.
I kept falling.
Mà qua bao ta, cho tôi wee.
In Russian we have a saying, it says, till your wedding you will be fine. That's why What
What if this wedding is tomorrow?
Oh shit. At least we can buy some jewelry right over there, behind you. You see
We
it?
need to buy enough so that it covers my body.
True that. True that. Clearly, one adventure was not enough, so we decided to pack our things and drive to the other side of the island.
This is a secret message. Axel went to the toilet, and I would just like to say that, oh no, he's coming next time.
Nothing. Everything ordinary going on here. Everything ordinary. Quite ordinary here, actually. It's really nothing's happening. Nothing at all. You're so sexy.
It's cold.
You're so sexy.
Ready? Okay. We are here. Yay! This is my chance for everyone to have a better day. Yay!
I got so much water in my nose. Can we redo?
This morning I realized that we actually have a huge garden. Like, there is the house, then there is this big garden, and then for the first time in my life I learned, or I see with my own eyes, how a pineapple grows. Do you guys see the pineapples? There. It's nuts. These are all pineapples, 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 pineapples. That's incredible. And perfect timing. Sunrise. That's it for today's cozy family vlog. For today's outro, I would like to say, God bless you, Mariana. But it looks like he already did.